and welcome. John Croner with Bullseye Trader, and I'd like to welcome you to the Artificial Intelligence Holly and Market Update for the week ending Friday, May the 10th, 2019. Well, let's go ahead and jump in and take a look and see how these markets ended up the week. We'll take a look at the spiders first, and you can see on the daily candles we pulled back all week long. We hit a low point yesterday, and then we come back today to retest that, and then we had a nice rally the better part of the day here, ending near highs. But on the weekly candle, we just have a big indecision candle, with a wide range candle. If you look at that from top to bottom, but it is down, fairly considerably for the week, down below the last 2 weeks. So no major harm done. The big thing is going to be next week if we trade above this candle or below this candle. On the monthly, you can see here, we got up here to the top, we pulled back, we got back up, and now we're pulling back again. So the big key is going to be if we can break through here, we get the strength to go through, or if we continue reversing. So a lot depends on next week. I'll draw your attention here to the relative volume today. 2.06. You can see these volume bars for the past several days. So we've had a fairly large volume for the last week or so. So that is your spiders. Moving on to the Qs now, we'll take a look and see how those Qs did for us. And you can see, we're going to see much the same pattern across the boards here. You can see the pullback all week long, the two big bottoming tails yesterday and today. The nice recovery, the last part of today, or the better part of the day, actually about 3/4 of the day, we had a nice recovery. The indecision candle on the weekly. You can see 4 months of uptrend on the monthly and the pullback. Once again, the volume bar showing the higher volume, 2.21 was the relative volume there. Now moving on to the diamonds, and let's see if we see anything different or if it's the same thing all over again. And it does look like it's pretty much the same thing. They're carbon copies of each other. You can see the volume bars here, 1.88, so not quite as much volume in the diamonds, but still very significant. You can see the pull back here, a little bit of consolidation, and then up for the last 2/3, 3/4 of the day. The indecision candle on the weekly, but still representing a fairly significant pullback. So this could be that flushing we needed. It could be the consolidation. If we look at this whole area here, we haven't breached those lows, even though we're testing them. So a lot is going to just depend on what happens next week. So it's definitely going to be an interesting week. See what the political environment has to do with it, etc. But let's go ahead and move on to our Holly. And this is the first video I've done since Tuesday, so we'll take a quick look at Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and then the weekly totals. So for Wednesday, we had 47 trades, lost 90 cents, lost 390 on the risk on. So Wednesday was a very difficult day. Thursday, 33 trades combined. We did make a profit of 51 cents, but we lost 98 cents on the risk on. And then today we had 38 trades. 335 was the profit, but the risk on profit was a loss of 87 cents. So that told you, when Holly got out, you should have been getting out. For the total trades, 165 for the week, $3.38 profit, $8.13 loss in the risk on category. So so we did have a good ending to the week, but quite a rough week all around. Now I just want to remind you that you can subscribe to these videos. You're going to see a little pop-up on the left hand side there, so we welcome you to subscribe to it. Hit that bell so you never miss one. over to the right, you're going to see a little pop-up. You can click on that, watch some videos on a lot of free stuff that Trade Ideas offers you on that'll help you be a better trader. Our free ebook, our free trading room, our free training and webinars. So a lot of free stuff for you. And then if you do want to try out Trade Ideas, or if you want to upgrade to the TI Premium, there's a code down below. Just reading the YouTube notes, and you can take advantage of that. And hey, I want to thank you for watching, and God bless.